Understanding political action committees, PACs. Political action committees, or PACs, are vital components in the landscape of American campaign finance. Established to pool resources for political campaigns, these entities hold significant sway over electoral outcomes. This article delves into what PACs are, how they operate, and the various types that exist today. Definition of a political action committee, PAC. In the United States, a political action committee, PAC, is defined as a political committee that gathers campaign contributions from members to support or oppose candidates, ballot initiatives, or legislation. The essence of PACs is to represent the interests of business groups, labor unions, or ideological organizations. The first recorded PAC was formed in 1944 to support the re-election of President Franklin D. Roosevelt. This historical inception marked the beginning of collective political campaigning on a structured scale. Key characteristics of PACs. Contribution pooling. PACs facilitate the gathering of funds from multiple contributors, allowing a consolidated financial force to back candidates or initiatives. Regulatory oversight. They operate under a framework of regulations that dictate fundraising and spending limits, requiring transparency in contributions. Disclosure obligations. PACs are required to register with the Federal Election Commission, FEC, and disclose their financial activities and donor information, although certain disclosures can occur post-election. How PACs operate. There are strict regulations governing PACs. For federal elections, a PAC is defined as an entity that receives or expends more than $1,000 to influence an election. This includes a variety of limitations on how funds can flow. Contribution limits. PACs can donate up to $5,000 to a candidate's campaign per election cycle, $15,000 annually to a national party committee, and $5,000 to other PACs. Donor restrictions. PACs may receive contributions of up to $5,000 from an individual, PAC, or party committee per calendar year. Registration and transparency. Upon formation, a PAC must register with the FEC within 10 days and provide vital information including its name, involved parties, and affiliated organizations. Types of political action committees. PACs come in various forms, each with distinct characteristics and regulatory frameworks. 1. Separate segregated funds, SSFs. SSFs are established by corporations, labor unions, or other organizations, and they can only solicit contributions from individuals associated with the sponsoring entity. 2. Non-connected committees. Non-connected committees, in contrast to SSFs, are not tied to a specific organization, which allows them to accept donations from the general public. 3. Super PACs. Super PACs, innovative forms of PACs, emerged from landmark legal decisions in 2010. They can raise unlimited funds from individuals, businesses, and unions. Importantly, while super PACs cannot contribute directly to a candidate's campaign, they can spend an unlimited amount independently to influence elections. 4. Hybrid PACs. Hybrid PACs operate as both traditional PACs and super PACs, maintaining separate accounts for adherence to the different fundraising rules. 5. Leadership PACs. These PACs are established by current officeholders and may be used to support other candidates. Leadership PACs can contribute up to $5,000 to candidate committees per election. PACs versus Super PACs. Super PACs, with their unlimited fundraising potential, have become profoundly influential in political campaigns. Post the Supreme Court's decision in Citizens United v. FEC, super PACs saw a dramatic rise in their prominence. The deregulation contributed to a campaign environment where super PACs often outspend candidates themselves, as observed during the 2012 Republican primaries. While traditional PACs adhere to strict contribution limits, super PACs can collect and expend substantial amounts without direct ties to candidates. Special considerations regarding funding. Although corporations cannot directly finance political campaigns, they can support PACs or super PACs thanks to the Citizens United ruling, altering the landscape of political fundraising significantly. This ruling paved the way for greater participation from corporate entities in the political arena, further blurring the lines between corporate interests and political campaigning. Examples of notable PACs. Several PACs have gained recognition for their significant contributions to political campaigns. One of the largest is the National Association of Realtors PAC, which actively promotes the interests of the real estate industry. Such PACs demonstrate the vital role played by organized groups in influencing electoral outcomes. Who can form a PAC? Establishing a PAC is open to various stakeholders. Corporations, labor unions, and trade associations can set up SSFs, while individuals and groups can form non-connected committees, which can accept a wider range of contributions. Advantages of Super PACs. The primary advantage of Super PACs lies in their ability to raise uncapped funds, making them a powerhouse in the election landscape. While they must disclose their contributors, individuals can use methods such as shell corporations to anonymize their contributions, further complicating transparency in political financing. Conclusion. Political action committees are intrinsic to the fabric of American political campaigning. Their strategic pooling of resources enables significant influence over elections and legislative initiatives. With varied forms and regulations, especially the emergence of Super PACs, the dynamics of political influence and campaign financing continue to evolve. Understanding PACs is crucial for grasping the current electoral environment and the ongoing discourse around campaign finance reform in the United States.